Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals, some wild animals and some safari animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. This is a peacock. This is a peacock. P is for peacock. This is a sheep. S is for sheep. This is a sheep. L is for lion. This is lion. L is for lion. R is for rabbit. This is rabbit. This is H. H is for hen. H is for hen. This is cow. This is cow. This is a rooster. This is a rooster. A camel. This is a camel. This is a tiger. A tiger. This is a leopard. This is a leopard.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
This is elephant.
Sheep